So let's check out these fenders that we designed up and everything. This is gonna be pretty freaking awesome. So you look down there and we have these pretty large, these wouldn't print on the other printers over there because they're too big. So let's go ahead and get these off here and take a look and see what we got here. Let's see how they came out. Now these will have to be sanded because there's really no good way to print these because they are not flat whatsoever. So we'll just have to deal with it and sand them later. So let's see. Supports are hard to get off sometimes. My goodness. Can't really. They're sharp feeling. It's like, man, oh man. Oh, there we go. There we go. A little at a time, we'll work that stuff there. I was about to say, geez, why the support stuck so difficult? Nice. Nice little support removal. Okay, so let's take this and let's get my hand out of the way. And we'll see about removing these items. Okay, and these should be supports too. More supports. Let's see what else we got. Should be coming to the end of the support here. And then I think we just have this one little last piece here. Yep. Okay. Now I've got a mess. Awesome. So let's clean that up real fast. And we'll take a look. Because I don't really want to leave a mess on here. So let's take a look at this. Look at this little guy here. Let's go see if this fits. My first time looking at this. So let's see. I'm not sure how it's gonna look or fit. But oh, what do you think? Let's get a better view. Okay. So let's get a view for how this thing's gonna look here. Very, very nice, sir. Oh man, okay. That is just sick. Once it gets sanded, that's gonna be freaking awesome. Let me get some tape and tape it up and get a view for it. Okay, I'm back and I got some tape. Now this is special custom tape and it's custom, so it's guaranteed to only go up in value over time. But we're gonna use this to mark this up and or I guess I should say mock it up. So let's see what we can do as far as where we can put this thing for a little test fit. Oh shoot, sir. That's fucking cool. Yeah. Language, that's gonna be pretty spicy. Man, oh man. You think you've seen spicy, just wait. Oh goodness. Goodness gracious. Alright, come here guys. Check this Lightning McQueen out. She's got a very, very wide booty. Look at that. Oh yes sir. That's gonna be very nice. Very, very nice. Let's take a front view. Oh goodness. I think I might have to approve on that. Yep. Oh man. Look at how good that's gonna look. Oh my gosh. I don't even know. Man, oh man. It's gonna be so sick. Heck yeah. With the little body kit on there too. Oh man. Yep, I like it. I'm digging it.